ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్ చూడండి. ఇది కూడా 2025 వచ్చింది. సో డ్రా రే diagram to show nature, position and then the relative size of image formed by a convex mirror, right? So this is a convex mirror. To show a convex mirror, right? When an object is placed at infinity లో ప్లేస్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఎలా ఫామ్ అయింది ఇమేజ్ అనేది, అండ్ బిట్వీన్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ అండ్ పోల్, బిట్వీన్ ఇన్ఫినిటీకి పోల్కి మధ్యలో ఫామ్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఇమేజ్ అనేది ఎలా ఫామ్ అయ్యింది, అండ్ తర్వాత క్యారెక్టరిస్టిక్స్, ఇందుకు నేచరు, పొజిషను, రిలేటివ్ సైజు, క్యారెక్టరిస్టిక్స్ ఆల్సో వీ వాంట్, రైట్? ఫర్ దిస్ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు అడ్జస్ట్. Okay, first of all we have to do this. Take a convex mirror. This is the convex mirror I taken, right? Convex mirror. Then first one ray is object at infinite distance I taken, right? Object is at infinite distance, and one ray coming from infinity, parallel ray, and which will be reflected back, and another ray, parallel ray, which will be reflected back, clear, reflected back, but the image formed appears to found from the other side of the convex mirror, right? Appears to come from the focal point of the other side of the convex mirror. Clear? Focal point, the image found at focal point from other side of the convex mirror. And other side means simple, that is other side means which is nothing but a virtual, right? Virtual means erect. So the position is, if you observe that position is at F, and nature is virtual and direct, right? This is a simple combination, right? Virtual and direct, and formed at focal point, that is simply point size object, point size and highly diminished. Clear? Next condition, what he asked, the image formed it if I kept object at between infinity and the pole. Clear? This is the infinity and pole. If I kept somewhere else out of the infinity, clear, beyond the infinity, behind the infinity, which is beyond the mirror, right? So this TS is a object, I get. One ray is parallel ray, which will be reflected back here. Another one will be reflected back. Another one, for example, I kept, maybe this is at center of curvature here. So another ray which is coming from the center of curvature, and it will be reflected in same direction. So these, if the after extension, clear, it will be meet before or beyond the second focal length, right? Or behind the convex mirror, appears behind the convex mirror, other side, right? The image forms at other side of the convex mirror, behind F. See, after expansion, the rays are meted at this point. So before focal point, this is second focal point, right? These also have one focal point, this is second focal point. So this focal point is other side, right? Behind the convex mirror, this focal point is behind the convex mirror, and the image formed is between the pole and focal point by virtual. Why? Because opposite side, right? Why? Because behind image formed behind the mirror. So, and also lesser size than the object. So characteristics are here. So characteristics are position, where position is between P and F, right? Position is between P and F, behind the mirror, right? Behind the mirror, and nature, visual and direct, and size also diminished. Clear? Size also diminished, very small size, not a point size but small size. Before condition, if we kept it infinity, that is point size at F. And two conditions only for the convex mirror. One is the image placed at infinity distance, another one is the image placed between infinity and pole. Clear? We'll go for next question.